gentlemen. 2013 Lincoln MKX. It is back. What did I mess up? So, I did pull codes yesterday. The codes present in the computer was a P2196, P2198. Both of the oxygen sensors are stuck rich. Anyway, looking at service information, 95% already covered. There is really hardly a whole lot of diagnosing to it. I got it pulled up on the screen right there. Right now, the equivalence ratio for lambda should always be 1 or near 1. And it's not really far off right at the moment. Fuel trim, total trim, it's a little elevated, but not anything out of what I would say, all right, this is bad. Last time I've noticed that there was a washout in the screen. So I'm not for sure why the camera is washing it out so badly. And for this video here, I got to move on because I got another customer showing up here in a little bit. Like I said, the repair is going to be fairly straightforward. And long story short, when you run into that problem, let me turn this vehicle off. And by the way, right now, there is no check engine light on in the vehicle. So, without further ado, let's go right to the problem. According to service information, now we're going to check this out. Now we're going to unplug this here plug, and we're going to push the clip under the hose. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is correct. This is a purge solenoid. Now, if I'm correct, I know that was a close-up, but anyway, okay, there you go. Purge solenoid is all crowded up here. Now, what are the odds something falling into it? That did it. I mean, that just did it. No more air escaping. But anyway, bad. And as I said, giving it away, you look at service information, do a Google, you can find that right away. There's no need in beating a dead horse. It's really that easy to change. I got a new one here. I've already prepped the O-ring with some grease. I am the first one to say that I'm all for properly diagnosing a vehicle. But sometimes you just change your part and call it a day. In this case here, you're not really. What in the thunder? Ah! Clip fell down. I'm gonna find the clip, but anyway, long story short, in this case here, change the part, call it a day. There's no need in going jumping through hoops. This one is really easy. Don't just change the part. I mean, you do want to, to some extent, check to make sure, but for the most part, just get you a solenoid valve and change it, call it a day. Anyway, long story short, sorry, I got interrupted again. Phone ringing, customers, all that good stuff, which is a good thing, I suppose. Yeah, like I said, no need beating the dead horse on this one. Simply a matter of changing your purge solenoid. It's an evap purge solenoid, that is. Change it out. Make sure you do test it. Blow in it, make sure that it's actually got a leak. This one here was stuck, so when you beat on it, okay, you get it to unstick and it closes, that's fine, but it'll hang again. It needs to be replaced. You cannot salvage them. Once they to that stage, they will hang again. It's inevitable. We'll see you on the next one. Now that we got this replaced and we no longer have the leak, our fuel trims are pulling down. Yeah, definitely pulling down on the fuel trims now. So in this case here, I am going to reset the cam once again. I did that on that last repair. I did it. I don't know how long this has been going on because I just did the repair. I want to reset the cam just in case. Let that thing learn its values all over again. Now we'll see you on the next one.